To all my members, super chatters, super stickers, super gold, thank you so much. Ayan, Tatay Jax Analysis, thank you so much, Tatay. Ocean Cycling Life, thank you so much. Yung channel, Manny Civiliar, Achawi King, Alabama, USA, thank you so much. Cynthia Vlog, Maricar Ganda, Lula Linas, Ruhi Aiko, Darren Dobson, Team Salute, Tumagat Gay, Kip Jenkins King Salute, Larry Mix Vlog, Benz, Team Australia, Shaolin Ed, Marvin Vlog, Shining G, Glyn's Hobbies, Menti Cactus, Jing Channel, Master Worm, Jing's Vlog, Gaming Zone, thank you so much. Yan, Vivian Nikki Vlog, Diane Bell, Mother Earth, Batang Samar, Rexibilia 11, thank you so much. Divine TV, Ramil Mix Vlog, Rosita Rave, thank you so much. Lindy TV, Jack Dabson, Luxor TV Vlog, Jones Vlog, and to all my members, Lula Linas, Rans Calag Official, Cynthia Vlog, Rochelle Cycling Life, Woody Nason, Lori DM, Kunyang, Simply Miracle, Madel's Vlog, Wendy TV, Win Adventure, Mother Earth, Dumagat Bay, Angel Quinones, Atawi King, Beautician, Jing H. Nason, Nosantara Vlog, Janet Tanyongon, Del's Corner, Benz, Yung Channel, Enzo Dapugi, Alabama, USA, Rowena Costa Vlogs, Lily Ragasa, and Ann Banks Vlog. Ayan guys, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. And I love you all guys.